I'm Marie Daniels, and today I'm going to answer your question. On Instagram, which account do I use, business or personal? So let's get into it. All right, now, obviously, as the name suggests, if you're a business, Instagram is thinking you should use a business account. And here is one of the things that you need to know about a business account. A business account is really useful if you do have a business or if you're a personal brand, because what happens then is it allows you with an open API. And that means you can do things with other third party applications like schedule all of your Instagram posts to go out so that you don't have to do them manually each time you want to post. Also, and that does create consistency. So keep that in mind. But the other thing that it allows you to do is it also allows you to utilize different applications for getting reporting that can be really helpful for you. So as a business, that really does make sense, right? But one of the things that everybody gets a little upset about is if you have a business account, you don't get all those really fun, popular, trending music options. But you do get that if you have a personal account. So you see all these people that have creator accounts and they can use the really fun stuff to utilize for music backgrounds, etc. But then they don't have the open API, so they cannot use any of those really powerful scheduling applications or reporting. So that does make things a little complicated. Now, one of the things to keep in mind recently, Instagram did just uh, upgrade their analytics reporting. So that includes for Reels now. So that's fantastic, which we do love because no matter whether you're a creator or whether you're a business, you now get that upgraded, elevated analytics for your Instagram Reels, which everybody knows that's where it's at right now, right? Now, what's the same about the business and the personal accounts? Well, you still can do quick replies in your DMs, which is fantastic. But you also get to have the same category selections. You have call to action buttons, um, and you still have the insights and analytics. Just you don't get the ability with the personal to actually use the API for really, really boosted analytics and reporting that you can get from some of those third party sites. But what you do still get is you do still get the link in the bio. And remember, also, Instagram just recently changed the link in the bio to include 5 different links. So that's fantastic news. But here's the thing. What if you're like a personal brand? Like, for instance, I have a business account for my real estate business. I have a business account for my content lift business, which is for my marketing services, right? And then I have a personal brand or a personal profile. Well, on my personal profile, I don't really need anything, fancy or anything. It's just for my personal and it's just my fun stuff. But for my real estate agent piece, I do need it to be a business account. And that's because it's a business. Now, one of the issues, though, is that I can't utilize any of the fun trending audio. But here's the thing. If you do want to use that trending audio and you have a business account and you want the API that's open, there is a workaround, and that's by putting yourself as an entrepreneur. If you have that as your category for whatever reason, I don't know what Instagram's method of reasoning is here, but it allows you to have both the API so that you can schedule with some of the apps and you have that boosted reporting that you can get from some of those third parties, but you also get to utilize that the fun trending audio. So I hope that helped. Remember, it just depends on what you need to get out of your Instagram account. But let me know in the comments if there are any other questions that you might like me to answer. I'm happy to help. Until next time, I'll see you. Again, make sure that you hit the like button and follow so that you know when I'm doing another video. I'll see you soon. Bye.